Are you interested in knowing the facts about the spiritual reality? Hi, I am Preeti and I will be sharing a few facts about reality, about the spiritual reality that you would like to know. And spirituality is something that is very simple, yet it is a very complex subject. And if you understand, if you want to go ahead in spirituality, it is needed that you understand the spiritual reality. Okay, so yes, so make sure that you watch this entire video till the end so you get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so there are certain facts, and whether you agree to these facts or not, these facts apply to all the souls. Okay, so the first fact is spiritual reality. Spirituality is something that begins, the path of your spiritual ascension begins when the soul has decided. So whether you want it or not, it is not your choice. If your soul has decided, the spiritual journey will begin at the time when the soul has decided. Okay, the second thing is, usually people say, oh, you should not get into spirituality because it is enchanting, because it will pull you inside, and then you won't be able to escape it. The fact about it is, because spirituality is your true nature, this is the reason why you are not able to resist anything that is of spiritual nature. If somebody starts talking about spiritual stuff, everybody, okay, everybody at some time or the other will start feeling attracted towards that conversation, towards that topic. Also, one more interesting thing is, if you believe you have seven chakra or you have kundalini or not, whether you believe in those sciences or not, the journey will begin at its right moment. A lot of people feel there is no karma, there is no kundalini, there is nothing. If there is anything, it is just you. But whether you believe in something or not, your journey will begin when the right time has come. The next and a bitter truth of the reality is, your mind develops till the age of 25 years. Okay, till you are 25 years old, your mind is continuously developing. After the age of 25, I think it is 25 or 28, after that much, the mind is pretty much like permanent. Okay, the mind is actually set and nothing can be changed, the programming cannot be changed. Which is why usually people who are younger than 28 years, 25 years, it is very easy for them to change, it's very easy for them to adjust to something. But people who have grown, like if you are 30 plus, it will be difficult for you to accept any new thought pattern, any new belief system or stuff like that. But definitely, as you know, the world is ascending towards a better reality. This thing also will be changing, all of this truth. It is like, it has been followed since past many years, but that was a dark age time where, yes, there was a set kind of mentality where people could not evolve from there. But as the world is also evolving, the reality is evolving, so the mind can be flexible, it can be progressed, it can be programmed at any possible time that you wish to do it. Okay, now there is this one truth, there is this one thing that will be difficult for you to accept. So the thing is, yes, the universe is full of energies, good and bad. Okay, so the first kind of energies we see is good energies. So good energies are the energies that want to help you. They want that you benefit, that you grow in your life. Okay. The bad energies, they're usually not bad energies. They are just greedy energies. Okay. So suppose if there is somebody who gives up on their life. Okay. Somebody has been through a tough time. They give up on their life. Maybe then they don't want to live. there are so many energies that want to live. Okay, and those energies can actually start using up your energy system. Just because you don't want to use it, you have given up. Okay, so this is why we say that no matter whatever happens, you never have to give up. The next thing is, there are energies that are neither good, that are neither greedy, that don't have to do anything with you. Okay, even if you ask their help, they will not help you. Okay, so these are the energies that do not care about you, whether you live or whatever you choose for your life. Okay, so nothing is wrong with any of these energies. They are supposed to be that way. You may say, oh, these third kind of energies are so bad, they don't care about us, they don't care about us, they don't care about you. There are energies like that, and that's like totally okay. Universe has created them that way, and yeah, there's nothing wrong about it. The second is, nothing is given to you for free. Yeah, that is a big time thing for the spiritual reality. People keep on using stuff. They keep on using the renewable resources. See, even the renewable resources that are given to you for free, like water, air, they are not given for free because you pay for everything. Okay, so don't think that all of this stuff is free, God has given you for free. If God has given you something for free, it is your duty that you pay something back for all of that. The next part is, if you don't care about your existence, okay, if you don't care about your life, if you don't care about who you are, what you become, okay, if you don't care about that, the existence will not care about you. Okay, because you're not the only thing existing, everything around you is existing. If you don't care about your existence, if you don't care about your life, all the existence, all the entire of the existence will not care about you. Okay, so see, this is pretty better stuff, and this will hit you hard. Okay, you may not realize this right away, it may take you some time to understand this. The next part is, all the karma, not karma, all the laws, all the different laws of the universe, they are all interconnected. So just in case that your time for spending of the bad karma has begun, it is going to, yes, the law of attraction is going to start working in your life, where you start attracting all bad stuff. Okay, so the law of attraction, law of karma, and all of those are interconnected. Okay, so yes, so this is all that I could think of. If you have anything more, if you have any more ponderings over on this subject, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share this video as much as you can with everybody around you. Okay, yeah, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.